This is how you use the Coil command on Inventor 2018. So to start, you must have a profile. As you can see, I have a profile created, and if you would like to follow along, my dimensions are uh, available here. Also, as a part of your profile, you need to have an axis. This axis can be generated through using a sketch, as you see what I have here, or you can actually go to the work features and create an axis here for your coil. So you have two options there. I prefer to include the axis as a part of my sketch. So the coil command is here under the create panel, and because this is the only drawing on my screen, the profile is instantly selected. Next, it will be to identify the actual axis. So I'll click the red arrow, I'll select the axis. And as you can see, the axis would do somewhat of a preview of how the coil would complete itself. When you go to the coil size tab, you have choices of pitch and revolution, revolution height, pitch and height, and then lastly spiral. So depending on what application you're drawing this coil in, you would accommodate accordingly. So I want to choose the revolution height. So what I've identified is a height of 300. I want my revolution to go 5 times. I'm not going to add any taper angle to it. And next will be to go to the coil ends. You have a choice of either to have a natural end or a flat end, depending on your application. With the coil, whether you want it natural or flat, you have that option. I'm going to leave it at natural for both start and ending. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and hit the OK button, and what it will do is it'll produce that coil according to your profile and the stipulations, whether you're using revolution height, pitch, and revolution. You have all those different choices. And so this completes how to use the Coil command in Inventor.